So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. Today we are back once again inside the VW Golf 7 GTI Clubsport, and I just wanted to experience this car again, man. It's been a while. It's been like probably 2 years or so since I've driven one of these, so let's go. And I'm sure if you have a keen eye, you can already tell that there's something different about this Clubsport. The digital instrument cluster and this bigger infotainment screen. So it's got the cluster from the 7.5 cars, and these are the original OEM ones. So yeah, this is so cool and so unique to this particular car. So remember, the Clubsport is still powered by the EA888, but it's got the IS38 motor, so the engine from the Golf 7R. It's making 195 kilowatts of power, but it's got an overboost function that pushes it to 213 kilowatts, which is basically the power that you get permanently in the 7.5 TCR. So when you put your foot flat in this car for 10 seconds, you get 213 kilowatts. Then it takes another 10 seconds to regenerate. Then you can go again. It will give you the overboost function. But it doesn't show you a timer or anything where it calculates the 10 seconds. You just have to have a feel for it. But yeah, it came with an Alcantara steering wheel. It's got the red striped seat belts. It's got a whole body kit outside, with like I think 3 intercoolers or something like that to accommodate for the extra power, because this engine needs more cooling than the normal GTI motor. So it looks so cool on the outside. And of course it has a free flow exhaust, which sounds, yeah, it sounds menacing. It sounds absolutely incredible. Oh, these things sound so insane, yo. Compared to a regular GTI, and that is any GTI for that matter, 7 GTI, 8 GTI, even the 8.5. I mean, this free flow exhaust, it's only this car and the TCR that sound like this. No ways. Ah, what a machine. Yo. I want us to quickly go to the underpass by Mall of Africa, just so we can hear the exhaust as we drive past the... Should sound cool. Oh, yeah, noise. Yo, this thing has a mighty, mighty pull. Oh, this car is so fun to drive, guys. Like, compared to a regular GTI, this is, oh man, it's like totally a night and day difference. And I find this digital cluster so cool because I'm sure if I hadn't told you, some of you would have felt like, no man, there's something strange about this particular car, but you just can't pinpoint it, you know. But if you have a really keen eye, I'm sure you'd have noticed, or yeah. And I think it's so perfectly integrated. It is so cool. Oh, let me actually drive with the windows open now. Oh. So let's hear. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'll end off the POV right here.